Swarm in progress. Followed them down from my apiary, a few steps up the hill. Just trying to assess where they're going to land. Got a lot of activity going on the property today. Other stuff with the internet, always interesting with everybody working from home up here on our off-grid property. But yeah, they've moved. Looks like there's a big cluster kind of gathering right here. Can hear them. So we will see. Keep you posted. I'll try to do a video of the capture as well if I can get it. Hopefully they don't land anywhere too high up. We'll see. So loud. Yeah. So they're by this little mulberry. And over by the apple trees. Just in a flurry of activity. So hopefully there's some up there on that lemon tree, but not very many. We've got, looks like they're kind of over here by this rose bush, and there's a bunch landing on this wild carrot. Hopefully they don't go to that mulberry because that looks horrible to try to collect them from. Now I'm really kind of in the thick of it. So yeah, hopefully. Haven't seen a cluster land anywhere yet. Pretty exciting though. Where are you gonna land? What do you think, guys? Apple tree? Lemon tree? Mulberry tree? Rose bush? This queen can't make a decision. Here's my arm, Humblebee. We'll see. Yeah, this is, as I took a little video a minute ago before I was on live. Oh, there's one took it. Before I was on live, I was saying this is from a walkaway split that I did. So it's a virgin queen. It's like it would be the equivalent of a secondary swarm. So curious if it's going to be like a pre-swarm. Well, let's see. We've got a good amount of them landing on this rose bush. Oh my God, I'm in all these prickers. There's a good amount right here landed, but they might just be resting, to be honest. Confused and resting little bees. So we'll see. Several here. I have caught swarms before that have been in several clumps and then they finally join together. Looks like there's still a lot of activity over by that apple tree though. So we'll see. See what happens. I could just go. I know that they had a lot of queen cells, and I was just about to go harvest some queen cells or maybe a virgin queen from that split. I checked them on Monday, and they had some capped queen cells, so I knew that it would be, yesterday or today. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, now we're in the thick of it. And I see a bunch landing on that apple branch might be our winner. Let's see. We've got a pretty good cluster happening right there. See if I can find a queen, little virgin queen anywhere in that midst. Yeah. Whew! So gorgeous. Beautiful day. All right, here's my Armageddon bees. You want to join? Oh, we got one taker. One taker for the hand. I have a queen up there, mated queen, that unfortunately died. Maybe I could put her in my hand and they would flock to me. I wonder how that works. I know for bait hives they talk about using queen pheromone. Wonder if that would be the same scenario. Oh, let's see. They've subsequently, well, there's still the same number on that branch. Alright. Well, maybe I'll sign off for now until they gather and then I can do another video. Thanks for joining, guys! Okay, I was right. Here they are in that spot I thought they were gonna on this. Hopefully we can collect them. This is got a virgin. Show you guys. Completely covered in bees, per usual. All right. Yes. All right. The miracle of reproduction and recombination. All right. I'm gonna go see what tools I need to figure out that I knew had queen cells, and I saw a hatched queen, so I felt it appropriate to harvest some queen cells. Here's a single one. You always got to make sure you get a good margin. And then this one, I was trying to just get two, but it was this crazy Mondo situation where there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's a drone cell. So here are queen cells, and I'm going to see if I can get you guys to hear the sound of queen piping. So when I was on the Beekeeper Confidential podcast, I was talking with Mandy about queen piping, and I just heard it. So let me see if I can get the microphone closer. It's a crazy sound.